Is it Earth Day today?
Yeah.
We're gonna celebrate the completion of the river project. Been, many decades in the dreaming, many years in the doing, and a lot of partnerships from a lot of people. So as far as making this project a reality, it's a $1.6 million project. Would not have happened without support of the community at large, a lot of the community interest groups that have helped us through this. And then these things take money, unfortunately. And we had a lot of partners on that helped also. So acknowledging Colorado Water Conservation Board contributed $500,000 to this project. CPW through their Fishing is Fun program. And Renzo was started on this project, has since retired, but thanks Renzo. $285,000 contributed to this. Then the Montrose Urban Renewal Authority to their tax increment generated by the Urban Renewal Authority, which is everything you see behind you, made up for the rest. So it takes a lot of partners to make these things happen.
I just want to take this opportunity to brag a little bit about Scott Murphy, actually. Scott, what he didn't tell you is that he started this project about 3.5 years ago on his own. Scott's had countless hours into this. He's really a community champion. And for those of you who don't know, on Saturday, the Arizona Trout Unlimited chapter and the Arizona Fish and Game Department are going to award Scott their Conservationist of the Year. So, for this project. And so, Scott, on behalf of the community, on behalf of our family, on behalf of Colorado Outdoors, thank you very much.
It's a major addition to our community, like it's been expressed, and the city and CPW and all that put money and time into it. But from a longtime resident of the area and from a perspective of the river and the fishermen, this is a major piece. And thank you to the Dragoos and Colorado Outdoors Mayfly for taking a piece of private land that's now public. As a fisherman and walking the bike path, whatever you do, that's a major access and gift to our city. So that's a huge thing. Let's not overlook that. But I also want to make the point of, as a river and as a fisherman and the environment, this is a piece that we've been working on, interconnected piece. We've done other work at River Bottom, at Ridgeway, at Paco Chupac. All of those different pieces come together, and one little piece is good, but when they interconnect, the health of the river, the community, we got a river running right through town. Not everybody has that. And before Ridgeway Reservoir cleaned up the river, if you will, it wasn't so great, and it's come a long ways. And this linear footage that we have here, and there's more pieces to come. This one section that was completed this winter is one of 3 pieces, so there's more to do, and it's a huge asset to our community, and it makes a difference environmentally. It's just all so wonderful.